Bienvenidos a esta prueba de vocabulario A1 en inglés. Vas a ver una frase o pista corta y 3 opciones. Elegí la palabra correcta antes de ver la respuesta y no te olvides de presionar pausa para más tiempo.
Let's begin. I drink it when I am thirsty. I drink it when I am thirsty. Water, water. I wear it when it is cold. I wear it when it is cold. Jacket, jacket. I use it to open a door. I use it to open a door. Key, key. I buy food at this place. I buy food at this place. Supermarket, supermarket. I do this before I go to bed. I do this before I go to bed. Brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. This person works with students. This person works with students. Teacher, teacher. I use this to write. I use this to write. Pen, pen. I watch movies on this. I watch movies on this. TV, TV. I take this to go to work. I take this to go to work. Bus, bus. This room is for cooking. This room is for cooking. Kitchen, kitchen. I wear these on my feet inside the house. I wear these on my feet inside the house. Slippers, slippers. I do this when I am tired. I do this when I am tired. Sleep, sleep. This tells you the time. This tells you the time. Watch, watch. I eat this in the morning. I eat this in the morning. Breakfast, breakfast. This is bigger than an apple. This is bigger than an apple. Watermelon, watermelon. I use this to talk to people far away. I use this to talk to people far away. Phone, phone. I put my clothes here. I put my clothes here. Closet, closet. This animal says meow. This animal says meow. Cat, cat. I do this when I meet someone. I do this when I meet someone. Say hello. Say hello. I feel this when something is funny. I feel this when something is funny. Happy, happy.
¿Cuántas acertaste?
Comment your score below.
Nos vemos en la próxima.